Hello everybody! Today we are cooking a meal with no carbohydrate. Our ingredients to this meal over here chicken. No, let's remember that not all carbohydrates are the same. There's carbohydrates, pretty well good for the body, and then there's carbohydrates, very bad for the body, and then there's carbohydrates, that very bad for the body, even more bad for the body, these carbohydrates. And some eggs there, and sausages, sausage. And here I have some butter, some butter. Getting that pan well oiled up. And there we add on the chicken. Just like that. Slices of that sausage to the pan we put. And now putting on the cover there. But then the absolute worst, the worst of the carbohydrates, carbohydrate. This one's in the ingredients list. You throw it out the window like that. Looking very dandy, the fine. Prepare to use a plate where you put on their food, not just put on the tablet. My idea over here is to eat this kind of a meal after being at the gym, just pumping the iron type of shit, and starting the day out otherwise, not avoiding that carbohydrate, eating some alpen musla or something like that on the breakfast table, and then when the bump come in there, by going to the gym, then eaten some good protein. If you're very insisting, then adding a top some. Here, some vegetables, a very good vegetable. This sausage, very good vegetable. Now me gonna keep making these YouTube videos. Thanks for the watching of this. Click the hit the subscribe and like buttons there.